Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to install Google Play Store on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we can do is go to our settings. Now click on battery and then make sure that your low power mode is turned off. And then after that, we can go to our apps. So search for or find your Safari. Now scroll all the way down and you will see the advanced option. Now you want to make sure that the black all cookies is turned off, and after that we can now proceed to the next step, which is go to our Safari and search for appsafe.club, and we're going to search for Play Store and click on this one and click the start injection, and then let's wait for it to be completed. And then after that, you can now go to your home screen, and then that's it guys. I hope this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.